going to be doing a Starbucks video. My subscribers choose my Starbucks drinks for a week. Woo! For a week. Girl. So I've been kind of low-key bored with my Starbucks selections lately. I always loved the iced matcha latte or the matcha frap. It's literally my go-to. Or I've been loving like cold brew. So like the sweet cream cold brew or the pumpkin cold brew. But like literally that's all. I don't have this big selection. I want to try new drinks and more drinks. So I thought this would be a perfect way to include my booby babies, all of you. A way to talk to you guys and interact more. So I'm choosing you guys at random. So whenever I like do like giveaways or Q&A, that's when everyone's like, oh, me, and like, send in their things. But this, I want to do it a little different. I don't want to be like, hey, who wants to choose? No, I want to go on to like people who actually comment frequently and who DM me, and I'm like going off of that. So I asked one of you guys, I have not opened her message. I just asked if she wanted to do it and she said yes. So I had her choose, sorry, this camera's like crooked, like my smile. I'm gonna do this for an entire week. If you guys, why would I touch my tit? If you guys want to see, ooh, if you guys want to see more of these videos, let me know, thumbs it up, and let's open the first message. Okay, girl. She chose for me honey citrus mint tea. What? I've never even heard of that. Okay, girl. What? Ah! Like, what is that? Okay, I'll get one of those. This is something I've never tried before. Okay, this is going to a good start. Thank you so much, PiinkSparkles, big fan of too. I appreciate you so much. That's something new. I am very, very excited. And we are gonna go get it. And I'm gonna shove it in my gob.
Can I get a tall honey citrus mint tea?
Do they have that?
Yep. Okay.
Probably $3.83.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh my goodness. So here it is. They put a peach tea bag in it and a jade citrus mint tea bag in there. Ooh, it's so bright and fresh. Smell this. Okay.
Yeah. No, thank you.
Let's give it a try. I love it. Try.
It's hot. It's not bad though.
Yeah, I like it.
Tastes like Neo-Citron.
Yeah, it kind of does. This is what it looks like. Oh my god, so pungent. Like the aromas are like eating at my nostril hairs and engulfing them into pure seduction. I love that tea. It tastes so good. Yum! That's a perfect tea for a fall day, wearing a fall outfit. Okay, we're on day 2 right now, and I asked another one of you guys what I should get. Okay, Renee, what do you say? Oat chai tea latte with apple? Huh? Is that a thing? What? I am so confused. Oat chai tea with apple.
Oat chai tea?
Oat chai tea latte with apple.
What size you want?
I'm gonna love that, so we're gonna say grande. Thanks, Renee. So this is from re.aggie. So thank you so much.
Hey, can I get a grande oat chai tea latte with apple?
Okay, grande oat chai tea latte.
Yes.
With apple.
Yes,
yeah.
please.
This is what it looks like. Let's take a look. Okay. It looks very yummy. Ah! Oh, yummy. Okay, so it smells. Oh my god, this so. It smells like, oh, I can't even. It smells like, oh, I can't. Apple oatmeal. It's like Quaker apple oatmeal.
Mm.
Yeah. Oh, I want to bathe in that. Okay, let's try it. Okay, that's the best warm drink I've had from Starbucks. That is like fall in a cup. That is phenomenal. This is all I'm ordering. So it's oat milk? Is that why they say oat? I'm shook. This is literally like blended up oatmeal with apple in it. This is the best one so far. Thank you so much, Renee. Oh my god, yummy, yummy. Okay guys, hello. It is day 3 and I sent out another message to one of you. Okay, Moxie Jean. Oh, I love that. What did she choose? Double chocolate chip frap blended with white mocha instead of regular. Add whipped cream and chocolate syrup.
Ooh, that sounds yummy.
Yum!
Sounds like what you need right now.
Okay, yeah, I have my period right now, so that's perfect. Just I mean, so this is what she says there. This one's gonna look so nice. I've had hot drinks all week, so this is a change to have a frap. Yay! This is the best Starbucks in the city, by the way.
Could I get a grande double chocolate chip frap? Can I get that made with white mocha and then chocolate sauce?
Yes.
Chocolate syrup.
You made the chocolate espresso?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Thank you. You as well.
So good. Oh my god, look at this. Moxie Jean. Oh wow, this is gonna satisfy any period craving I've ever had for my whole life in 30 years. Wait, I haven't had a period for 30 years. How long have I had a period for? Maybe 15 years? Anyways. Yeah, I'm dead. It's like an Oreo frap. It's like cookies and cream.
That's really good. I like it.
Thank you so much. See y'all tomorrow. Watch me get fat every day. Hello again. I just posted an Instagram picture and then one of the first girls to comment, I asked her if she'd be part of this. So if you comment quickly on my pictures, you might be asked to be a part of my video. So thank you so much, Han. And she asked me to do mango dragon fruit refresher made with coconut milk. It's the bomb. Love you. Thank you so much for this experience. Oh girl, thank you. Hannah.Albrecht _ oh my god, I'm butchering people's names. Love that. I'm glad because I want something refreshing.
Can I get a tall mango dragon fruit refresher made with coconut milk? Is that good?
Yeah.
For sure. Just let you know that it's called the Dragon Drink.
Okay.
For future reference. Anything else today?
That is everything.
So I have tried this.
Wow,
and I liked it. So we are excited. Alrighty, here is the drink. It looks so cute. I love how all of these drinks are so different. We have an all array of different things. They're not like all the same. I just got a tall because I'm trying to reduce my calories, but let's give it a go. Oh my god, it's so refreshing. Fruity, berry-like, creamy. It's not too much in here. I like this. This is really yummy. You want to try it?
Ooh, that's pretty good.
It literally tastes like candy. It's just so yummy and sweet.
That's what I was gonna say.
Maybe like a Starburst?
Yeah, Starburst, exactly.
Yeah.
I was trying to think of what candy it tastes like. Starburst, exactly. Boom, pink Starburst. That's the one.
Okay, day 5. Scarlet Rose has chose my drink. Because you love espressos, I feel like it's only right to try the espresso frappuccino. I didn't even know they had that.
Ooh.
There's so many things I have never tried that we're trying in this video. So I'm kind of nervous because like, what if I don't like it?
Grande espresso frappuccino.
Grande espresso frappuccino.
I'm again wearing Austin sweater, so whatever.
Whatever. It's all good, baby.
Okay, here is the espresso frap. I didn't even know existed, girl. Look at this.
I don't even know what to say here. I'm just gonna go inside Starbucks and get some napkins.
This was the dumbest blonde thing I've ever done in my life. We're showing the flat frap how I would a lipstick like this, and it dumped up the side all over his car. Okay, let's try the frap. I cannot. This is so good.
That's pretty good.
It went everywhere.
It did.
Oh my god, this is so good. How do they do it? Hello, people of the world. We are on day, I don't know what day, but
The sun, it burns.
oh, I'm melty. We have asked Madison Soares. I'm sorry. Okay, that was not funny. Anyway, I asked Madison if she would help me with the video, so thank you. Honestly, the sun is just it. Or not it. One of the two. And she said, girl, get that green tea frap. Tastes like cantaloupe and it's healthy while tasty. That is my favorite drink at Starbucks, so just in case people think that I'm lying. She says right there, and I didn't coax her, just showed her the menu. She's like, get it, and I'm like, okay. I'm back on the tall game because I'm trying to watch my calories. I keep saying that, but he likes my sunglasses.
I will get a tall green tea frap, please.
5:30 under nothing.
Thank you very much.
Thank you to Madison. Thank you so much, Madison. Oh.
Thank you.
Oh, and they were roommates. We just passed a group of people and they were talking, and I got to say the vine because I heard the guy said roommate. That was the best moment of my life. We just drove by a group of people and one guy said roommates, and I got to say they were roommates. Oh, my life is officially, I've done everything I needed to do.
Do you think your aim's enough to get this in there?
My aim's enough.
Your aim's good enough?
Hello from the other side.
Yeah!
Here is the green tea frap. It looks so good. Like I'm doing a taste test. I've tried this probably like 100 times. I must have tried it 100 times. Isn't that the actual lyrics? To tell you you're a frap and you're breaking my heart because you're 300 calories and it's going to my actual heart. Okay, those are probably the lyrics actually, I actually think they are. Oh my god, yum. It's worth it. This is a really good frap. I hope to see you guys tomorrow, and I hope nobody gives me just a black coffee. That's what I'm dreading. Hello, it is Thursday today. Tomorrow is the last day of this. I have asked another one of you guys if you would help me. K.A. helped me. And I'm opening this right now. I picked a drink. Trenta! I hope this, oh my god. First of all, I love that for you. Trenta, have you ever even heard of a Trenta?
Nope.
It is the biggest size at Starbucks. It's like this big. So, not all Starbucks have that. I will try my hardest. If I can't, I'll just get a venti. I love this. Trenta, Passion Tango, Lemonade, Iced Tea, Light Ice, 6 shots of raspberry with liquid cane.
Holy shit.
I love this. That is so specific. You just made my day. I love when people like customize things like crazy. Kimia 1997. Thank you so much. Liquid cane. Like liquid cane. Is that even a thing?
Hey, do you guys carry the Trenta size?
Yeah, we do.
Okay, can I get a Trenta Passion Tango Lemonade Iced Tea
Yeah, for sure.
with light ice and 6 shots of raspberry with the liquid cane?
Okay, with the liquid cake?
Yes, please.
Okay. And is that everything for you today?
Whatever you want.
Yeah.
Okay, your total will be $5.28 at the window.
Oh my god, that was quite easy actually.
That sounds insane.
That sounds crazy.
How do people come up with this stuff?
I don't know. Ooh, I'm excited to try this. I showed it to Chris and he said it's gonna be so sweet. Thank you so much, girl. And she was so excited that I asked her. She's like, is this a joke? She's like, is this serious? You really want me to choose? I'm like, yeah. Look at all the shots he's putting in there.
Oh,
honestly, me and everyone, I'm getting a tall because I'm watching my calories the next day. Oh my god. I am shaking. It's literally bigger than my head. Look at it. It smells like sugar. They just like, no chill. Like they were just like, yeah, sure. Oh my god, this is like heavy. This is very toilsome to hold this. I have a dictionary app and I'm trying to use the words. Hi! Oh, the girl looked out her window and saw me. Hi! She's so cute. Aww. Okay, let's try this Trenta. Ready? Oh my god, that's so gross. That is so gross. It tastes like Buckley's. Girl.
It's not it.
It's not it, sis. Maybe it'll grow on me. I'm gonna keep drinking.
I don't know. It tastes like, yeah, like red cough syrup.
It's so heavy, like.
It's got some weight to it, yeah.
She's got girth. Girl, thank you so much. I love trying different things. Like, you never know, I could have loved it. I like the color of it. Hey guys! So today is the very last day of the Starbucks video. And I asked the girl to help me. Dragon fruit refresher and add green tea. Okay, so thank you so much, JT. Let's go get it. Dragon fruit refresher and add green tea. I didn't know you could add a green tea. Let's go.
Can I get a tall dragon fruit refresher, add green tea?
Good thing she didn't specify a size, so I could just get a tall. Okay guys, last one. If you guys want me to do this again, let me know. And we'll see whatever people come up with. Because a lot of these I've never tried before, and these adding things, like I didn't know you could do green tea instead of water. What the hell?
No water with green tea. It's so good.
Is it really?
Ooh,
Yeah, I
okay.
really like that
I've
one.
never tried it. Thank you. Okay, so here it is. Mmm. Upside. It has nothing to do with the drink. Green tea instead of water. So good. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you guys for all your selections and everyone that helped me with this video. I love you guys so much. And I'll talk to you guys all later. Bye.